Here we are unboxing the Epson EB-PU1008W WUXGA3 LCD laser projector with 4K enhancement. Items in the box when unpackaging include the following: EB-PU1008W projector, power cable, remote control with 2 batteries, cable cover, lens connector cap, user guide, and a warranty card. A lens is not included with this projector. There are 11 optional powered lenses available depending on the throw distance of your installation, delivering best-in-class color brightness. With 8,500 lumens of color brightness and 8,500 lumens of white brightness. This 3-chip, 3 LCD projector features a virtually maintenance-free 20,000-hour laser light source and air filter. Full HD WUXGA resolution and 4K enhancement technology means you will get crystal clear, lifelike images. Built-in NFC function reduces the time to install and commission multiple projectors. And a clip-on optional external camera allows access to powerful automated tools including auto color calibration, screen matching of multiple projectors, tiling assist for edge blends, and the stacking assist function. For more information, contact officewonderland.com, your Epson authorized dealer.